that cranes can dance, fly thousands of miles, and even live for over 30 years? Get ready to discover 10 amazing and unknown facts about these graceful birds that will surprise you and make you smile. Let's explore the world of crane birds, only on Lipapaa Info. First, crane migration. Cranes are one of the most migratory birds. Some species, such as the sandhill crane, travel thousands of miles every year between their breeding grounds in the north and wintering grounds in the south. 2. Dancing rituals. During the mating season, cranes perform elaborate dances that include leaping, bowing, and calling out to each other. This helps in attracting a mate and strengthening the bond between them. 3. Lifespan and monogamy. Cranes form lifelong bonds with their mates. They often stay together for decades, sometimes even for life, and can live up to 30 years in the wild. 4th, trumpet calls. Cranes are known for their loud trumpeting calls that can be heard from miles away. These calls are used for communication within flocks, especially during migration and in mating rituals. 5. Incredible vision. Cranes have excellent eyesight, which helps them spot prey and detect predators. Their sharp vision allows them to see great distances, even from high up in the sky. 6. Symbol of longevity and peace. In many cultures, cranes symbolize longevity, good fortune, and peace. In Japan, folding 1,000 origami cranes is believed to grant a wish. 7. Unique nesting habits. Cranes build large, sturdy nests in wetland areas, using reeds, grasses, and mud. These nests are built with great care to ensure safety from predators and access to water. 8. Feeding behavior. Crane birds are omnivores and feed on a variety of foods, including seeds, insects, small animals, and plants. Their diet helps them stay strong for their long migrations. 9. Threatened species. Many crane species are considered endangered due to habitat loss, hunting, and climate change. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these majestic birds. 10th, crane lifespan. Some crane species, such as the whooping crane, have been known to live up to 30 years in the wild. Their long lifespan contributes to their stability in the wild, especially for species with strong pair bonds.
Hi everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to check out the next video. Until then,